Hey, what's up, everybody? I'm Dr. Marcella Wilson from Learn AI and ChatGPT.com. If this is your first time here, what I do is I teach business owners or wannabe business owners how to use ChatGPT and AI to cut your workload in half and let AI do all the heavy lifting for you so you can save time, make money, work less, and do the things you really got into business for, like, live your life, travel, enjoy. So I've had my own Shopify business and Amazon store in the past, and I teach computer science at university, and I teach you everything I know about AI and ChatGPT, and it is my pleasure to do so. So it's the end of the year. I'm sitting under my Christmas tree, my favorite place, and I just want to talk to you a little bit about the end of the year. The end of the year can be kind of a bittersweet time, right? A lot of people are celebrating, they're taking off work, they're spending time with their family, they've just, hopefully got great gifts for the holidays, for Christmas. But it can also be a sad time or a time of deep reflection, right? Because in business, it could be a time where you're like, man, I didn't make as much money as I thought I was going to make. As a matter of fact, I didn't do anything that I had planned on doing. And I have been there. I've been there, right? So what I want to tell you is that it's not too late. I want to encourage you to keep going. I want to encourage you to use your past experiences, whether they were failures, to propel you to still go forward. Use your failures as learning lessons and use that to move forward. Don't use those failures or, when you're looking back and say, I didn't hit the mark that I wanted to hit. Don't use that as a reason to quit. Use that as a learning experience and take that and go forward and do better. So, my whole thing is AI. What I want you to do is to consider how AI and ChatGPT can help you work less, help you do more but work less. How AI or ChatGPT can actually do some of those monotonous tasks. Because a lot of times when I work with a lot of people on their businesses, and I see certain things just come up all the time. And probably the number one reason why people don't get to where they want to be in their business is because, number one, they don't put the time in. And either they don't have the time to put it in, or they're just like, this is going to take a lot of time for me to do, and so they just stop doing it. Well, guess what? AI can take some of those monotonous, routine, everyday tasks that you have to do and do it for you. So why not let AI do that for you? So, you don't have to put in as much time into your business if you use AI and still do even more than what you could have ever done. Let the machines do all the hard work. Let AI do it for you. So yeah, the number one thing is just time. People are just trying to, get that time. Now look, you've got to put some time into learning your business, but two, learning how to put systems in place so you can run your business. So AI is definitely something you should be learning to lessen the time you have to put into your work. So you're going to have to put some time in to do that. And that's where I come in. I help people do that. But if you do make time to learn AI, it will be one of the best business decisions you have ever made, because it can do a lot of tasks for you. It can create social media content in minutes. It can create emails for you, email campaigns, sales campaigns. It can handle customer service requests for you. I remember, I used to dread checking my email because every day there was always an email that was like, I've been emailing you for a week and you haven't responded, and I want my money back. Because I spent so much time on my business, and then the last thing I wanted to do was check my email and have to deal with an angry customer. But let AI chatbots deal with the customers for you, and they can deal with them immediately. And I'd rather have AI deal with customer service inquiries than me, because a chatbot can handle that issue immediately, where I have to like log into my email account, check my email. It's better customer service because that person gets taken care of immediately with a chatbot. So let AI do all of that for you. So as we go into the new year, I want you to really consider using AI for your business if you haven't already. I'm going to be announcing some very, very, very cool programs that I'm going to be offering, so that if you want to learn AI and how you can use that for your business to save time, save money, and to produce more, I'm your girl. I got some stuff for you. And I'll be announcing that in the new year. And you can click around somewhere around here to find out how you can, sign up to learn about that. Well, that's all I got for you today. I just really wanted to encourage you to not get discouraged if you're looking back on this previous year and thought to yourself, well, hey, I'm not where I want to be, and I don't know how this coming year is going to be any different. It can be different. You can be different. 2025 can be your year. But let's not work harder, let's work smarter. And let's use AI to do the heavy lifting. And I'm here to help you learn how to do that. All right? So if you're ready to start 2025 with a bang, supercharge your business, your sales, supercharge your productivity, you can do that all using AI. If you're ready to do that, come along with me on the ride. All right? But I do want to wish you and yours a happy new year and many blessings and happiness and joy in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. Bye-bye.